find out the value of this. First, we take this term is the x. We take this. Now, square of the both of side. Then we found this is square. So first this root is cut. So there is the minus 3, this minus 3, and there is the minus 3 plus this is minus 3 plus, we can write this is minus 3 plus this is this we write, and this is the x square. And we first take this term, this is the unlimited, so this term we take the first is x. First we take this, so we can write this is the minus 3, and this term we take the x, and this is the x square. And now there we can write the x square minus x, and this is the plus 3 is equal to 0. We can write this is the x square minus x and plus 3 is equal to 0. And now find out the value of x. How? First we can write the x term is the logic minus b plus minus the b square 4ac by 2a. This is the law, so use this law. So we find out there is the a term is the 1, and this is the b is the minus 1, and c is the 3. It's the conjugate. So we find the x value is the minus, this is minus, and this is the minus 1, so this is the minus 1, and this is the plus minus, and there is the minus 1 square, and this is the 4, and this is the a is the 1, and c is the 3, and this is the 2, and a is the 1. So we find out minus minus is plus, and this is the plus minus, and there is the 1 square, this is the minus 1 square, this is the 1, and this is the minus 12, and there is the 2. This is the x. So from here we find the x value is the 1 plus minus, and this is the minus 11, and this is the 2, and this is the minus 11. So we can write this the 11 into this is the minus 1, and this is root minus 1 is the value is I. So we can write this is I 12. This is, we can write this. So this is, we can write this half is here. So the 1 plus minus, and this is the I. So this is the x value is, so x value is this, and so x value is this, so this term is the this.